Hey, welcome guys to my another CPA marketing tutorial. Some of my subscribers asked me to make more videos on CPA marketing. In this video I got a comment to make more videos on CPA marketing. And in this video I got another comment from Monica Barden. She asked me to make a video on OfferVault. And she also said that the way you are understanding us that beginners can understand easily. I'm really so much glad to hear that from you guys. Okay, so now moving to the business. So first of all I want you to come over to this website offervault.com. So once you guys come over to this website, then this is how you'll see the homepage. Now before we start making hundreds to thousands of dollars, we have to understand this website first. Like how this website actually works, how you want to sign up, and how you want to get your CPA links. And inside this video I'm gonna be showing you a free traffic strategy that you can apply a decent amount of money with this OfferVault website. So guys, first of all I want to tell you is that OfferVault is not a CPA network. It's not like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, or Max Bounty networks. So what OfferVault actually does, OfferVault collects all the different CPA offers, and all the different CPA networks to their website. OfferVault is not a CPA or affiliate network that you can join to earn money by promoting different CPA offers. Now you might be thinking, then what is OfferVault? Well, OfferVault is a leading CPA and affiliate networks portal, and a sourcing hub for marketers and affiliates to find different CPA offers, affiliate networks, pay-per-call offers, mobile offers, and traffic sources. So guys, with OfferVault you can find out any types of high-paying crazy CPA offers easily, and I'm gonna show you how in a minute. Some of the offers pay for a single email submit, and some of them pay for a simple lead, and their payout is really high. So I hope now you understand a little bit about OfferVault. So as you can see, we're in the Offers tab, and these are the different CPA offers from the different CPA networks. So guys, here you can search for a specific offer, or a specific category, and underneath that, you can see filters. Filters are important to know when you want to find offers on a specific topic, or a specific category. You can filter out by networks, you can filter out by categories, and you can filter out by countries. If you click here networks, then you can see these all are different CPA and affiliate networks. And if you click here categories, then you can see all the different categories. Now let's say you want to filter out only the CPA offers, and if you click CPA, then as you see we're getting only the CPA offers, and the C offers, and the CPA means cost per action. Let's say you want to filter out only the email submit offers, and for that let's clear this filter here. And then you can filter out the result by only the email submit offers, and guys, as you see there are many different categories. You have free trial offers, you have gaming offers, install offers. Install means you'll get paid when people install something to their device. It could be an app, or it could be a browser extension or something like that. And guys, you can find out all different offers by a specific country as well. If you want to promote offers based on a country, then you can do that. Now guys, here as you can see these are all offer names, and here these are all payout, and here countries means how many countries an offer allows you to promote, and then here you can see the offers network. Now how you can actually find a high-paying CPA or affiliate offer from here. Let's say we want to work with category. Feel free to choose any other category from here. You can either choose from here, or you can type here in the search box, let's search weight loss. And then as you can see we got all the different weight loss offers. Now here what we want to do. We want to filter out the highest payout offer from here, and for that, you want to click payout here twice. So guys, as you can see now, we're getting the highest to the lowest payouts offers. Now here you can choose any offer as you like. Now let's say you want to promote this offer, and for that you want to click on it first. Then you can see its more details, like offer name, payout, preview. You can preview the landing page from here, and then the category, network. This is the network which will pay you the money. If you decide to promote this offer, then you have to create an account on this network first, and for that you want to click this button run offer, and then it'll bring you to their homepage. So now you wanna create an account here as a publisher. So guys, go ahead and create a free account. If I go through the registration process, then it'll take more time, and it'll become boring to you. And then once you finished your registration, and once you have a CPA or affiliate link, now I wanna show you where you can promote your offer, and how you can make money, and for that we're gonna be using Twitter.com. I'm gonna show you here 2 different ways that you can promote your CPA or affiliate link to people. So once you guys come to Twitter, first you wanna create an account here, and after that the first way what you wanna do, you wanna click here search Twitter, and you wanna search something like, how to lose weight, or how can I lose my weight, or something like that, and then you wanna click here latest, and then